I wish I was that steak. Ooh! Both of these babies are going home with me. Mr. BTMC over tonight.
Hello! Good morning. It's good morning.
Steak. You want to be in the vlog, Trina? And Mr. Kevin?
Dude, these steaks better be absolutely delicious or else I'm gonna blow my head for paying $30 a pound for this shit. Oh lord.
Ooh, it's going to work. Oh, reverse sear.
Yep, that's it. Okay, so a little bit of olive oil
Ooh.
so it doesn't just like fall off.
I wish I was that steak. Oh, that seasoning.
Yes.
Does that ruin your steak too then or no?
Not really.
This is Ed's favorite popcorn. Boom Chicka Pop from Angie's. This is the best popcorn you've ever had. That's not very convincing.
Oh, dude, that's it.
He's making us the sauce now.
Yeah, dude.
This man's knife costs more than my keyboard. Ooh, that clean cut.
That much.
Likes you.
Dude, they're so soft.
Yeah.
What?
Ooh, he wants the head rubs.
Dude, it's like under the neck. It's like the sweet spot.
Yeah.
I love it.
Going in. I'm looking for 125.
125. It's around 110. We should give it like maybe 5 more minutes or so.
Wow. This last minute store bought some mashed potatoes. Doesn't look the best.
Alright, let's see if I fuck this up. This is it, Nathan.
I believe.
Oh.
Going straight in. Ooh.
Shit.
This reaction. Oh.
This is definitely
He's
better.
feeling it. Oh. Ooh.
This is definitely better, dude.
It looks redder on camera too.
Oh. Oh shit, I forgot about the steak sauce.
Oh.
Oh shit. Oh. It's okay, there's more for us now.
Ooh.
We made it, bros. Oh my god. 2 hours?
Yeah.
My goodness.
I think an hour?
Oh my god.
He likes it. Let's eat. Let's try this Ed's cooking.
We finally made it. Dude, I am starving. I'm dying inside.
Sauce is good.
Holy shit. There's some good ass boba.
Pretty good, right?
Is it just store-bought salad?
Mm-hmm.
Damn. How do they make this so good? Maybe it's because I never had a salad in so long.
Yeah, maybe.
Or maybe because you're just really hungry.
That could be it.
Hello, it's a new vlog. Today I'm going to be stopping by some ceramics pottery studio. I commissioned a Ikebana thingamajiggy for the house. Not the house, the place. I commissioned it from a local maker, and we're gonna go pick it up in person You guys have seen his work. He's the one who also made the stone trays that I use for my streams. I'm a huge fan of his work, so let's go check it out.
And then it's ready to have glazes on it, which is like, once you do that, this is like the final product.
Wow.
These are like everyone from my studio. So this is, well, this is what I use for your bowl, and then that's silicone. Looking at this, it's like different clay bodies, so
both of these babies are going home with me. Yeah, this space is super cool. I got my ceramics. So yeah, we're gonna have ikebanas. I got 2 of these to put around the house. I really like how the glazes turned out. The maker's name is Daniel Chensik. I'll have his Instagram pop up. But yeah, he does a lot of cool stuff. Very low volume, but very nice quality. This weekend's a me weekend. She just finished her 2nd week of work, so she's very tired. I've been seeing her all week, but not seeing her today for the weekend. No hangouts planned with friends either, so it's gonna be me. So I'm gonna go buy some wine. We're here at Psychic Wines. There's a specific natural wine that I've been looking for, and a good buddy of mine, Mr. Johan, said they stock it. So we'll see if they have it or not. I made it back home, picked up a wine. This is not the wine I was looking for, but this is what the person there recommended. I've been really trying to get my hands on a Anders Frederick wine, but he's way too popular. All his wines get sold out immediately. So they recommended this. 1 whole bottle for me to, just kidding, I'm gonna drink the whole bottle. Like, we didn't get to show this off too much. But look at this. Cover my face. So this is gonna be Ikebana number 1. Oh, this looks so pretty on this island. I got 2. This is just with a matte glaze finish, and then this one though. This one is cool. It's got like cracks. I mean, they're intentional cracks. But this glaze is beautiful. Look at that. This is what it looks like from the bottom. In here is where the frog and everything else is gonna go. Wow. Yeah, check out Chejik. I'll have his Instagram plugged. Very cool guy. He does some great stuff. I love that he incorporates Asian / very Korean aesthetics and cultural aspects of it. Some of them look like very traditional old pieces that you might have found. And it's really cool. Hello.